Hello everyone. You need to send money using Raiffeisen Bank, whether it is local or international. Here's exactly how to do it online or in branch. So first, for online transfers, you need to log into Raiffeisen Plus, and this is how you can log in. Just click on this link, and then you can send money within the bank, locally or even internationally, using a secure interface. For international transfers, you'll need the recipient's name, address, IBAN, and their bank's SWIFT code. If you are sending to Kosovo, you should also use this format. If you're at the branch, just provide the same details to the clerk. Raiffeisen also supports automatic orders to schedule transfer on repeat. For faster service and lower fees, use the online banking platform by logging in. International transfers are supported through the SWIFT network, so you need the name and SWIFT code of the corresponding bank account of the beneficiary. This will give you both speed and security. And if you are unsure about the transfer limits, delays, or costs, just contact the bank or visit your local branch. For everything else, Raiffeisen Plus has you covered.